Well, high heels are all the rage, right? But they aren't always comfortable or helpful for your feet. So Dr. George Holmes, director of the foot and ankle specialty at Midwest Orthopedics at Rush, says you just have to pick carefully when buying. Good morning and thank you.
Good morning, Kim. Thank you.
First of all, why do high heels get such a bad rap?
Well, because people think they're going to cause falls, they cause hammer toes and bunions.
Oh, lovely.
But the good news is that you look great in heels.
Okay, well, and that's why so many women just gravitate toward them, even though they know that obviously they can be painful or cause problems later on. But what kinds of things, if you're saying, you know what, I'm going to wear them anyway, what should you be looking for?
There are a couple of simple concepts I think women should understand. One is get a heel with a nice platform, a nice firm platform on the heel. Two, get one with some cushion, nice cushion on the heel. Get one that's soft and lining on the heel, and also get a heel that you wear only on an occasional basis, like when you have yours on this morning.
Those are not occasional. Those are every day, unfortunately. Now, you say with a soft inside. What about those gel inserts? Can they help?
Yes, absolutely. Anything that can give you more cushion in your heel is going to be advantageous.
And what are the absolute no-nos?
No-nos. Don't wear your heels all the time. Be judicious in your heels. Wear them like you would have a cup of wine. You're going to have wine in the morning or wine in the afternoon, but you're not going to have wine all day long.
Right.
So be judicious. Wear them exactly when the right occasion occurs.
Now, clearly, if you're having a difficult time, you know, giving them up completely, or at least even trying to do it in moderation.
Yes.
What are the best things that you can do to compensate, even if there's any kind of foot care?
Well, one of the things you can do, you don't see this here today, is lower your heel height. 3 inches or above causes more damage to your foot. If you can wear a 1-inch heel or a 2-inch heel, you'll save a lot of wear and tear on your foot.
Actually, these little striped booties, look, is that okay, or is that still too high?
These are the cutest ones up here. I knew you would select these. But the problem with these is that they're a little bit flexible, and all the others on the other side are less flexible. So these are cute when you're going to be in the boardroom, maybe on the train on the way home from work.
Okay, and when you say flexibility, actually, as in the other part of the shoe, how is that actually affecting the heel height in terms of why it's better or worse?
Well, the flexibility puts more pressure on the ball of the foot, and women do get problems there. But the reason I like some of the other shoes on the other side is that even though they have a high heel, they have a high platform, so the differential is reduced.
Now, I'm looking this at Born right here, which seems to be a name that most people gravitate to having more foot support. Do you find that to be so? And is there any particular brands or types of shoes that are even best that you could recommend?
Well, these are good because there's no toe box. So round toe box or no constriction on the toes are good. And look at this. This has a nice wide heel, so you get a nice base, a firm base.
And what about any special foot care?
Well, you know, it's important in the summer to keep the feet dry. That'll prevent fungus infections. So something that's open, keeps your foot dry is advantageous over something that's closed.
Now, when you say high heels in moderation, is that, you know, day versus night, or every other day, or once a week?
I think it's time. I think you can wear them at night. You can wear them to church this morning, but you don't want to wear them 8 hours a day.
All right, Dr. Holmes, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
All right, we are foot healthy, and you are ready to rock on with some killer heels there, Mr. Anthony Ponce.
All right, I will be rocking killer heels. And, you know, I'm glad I don't need to give that topic too much thought, but great advice. Thank you very much. And speaking of feet,